Magandang araw mga bata, nandito na naman tayo para sa isang episode na puno ng kaalaman tungkol sa science. Tara, tayo na mag-aral. Magandang araw mga bata, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa circulatory system. Tara, pag-aralan natin. The circulatory system. What is the circulatory system? The circulatory system is how good and bad materials travel through our bodies. The circulatory system carries blood and nutrients to and from different places in the body. The heart has the job pumping these things around the body. The heart also pumps blood and nutrients around the body in tubes called blood vessels. The heart and blood vessels together make up the circulatory system. The circulatory system removes carbon dioxide and waste from our bodies, and it carries food and oxygen to our cells. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. When we breathe in, our lungs take in oxygen. The oxygen passes into our blood through our blood vessels. Blood with fresh oxygen is pushed through our blood vessels by a muscular pump the size of our fist, known as the heart. Let's take a look at the heart at work. See the difference in the heart rate when we are resting in school or playing sports or even when we are dancing. The human heart has 4 chambers: the left atrium, the right atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Blood flows down through these chambers. Blood travels through tubes called blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels: the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. The arteries carries blood away from the heart. Elastic fibers allow the artery to stretch under pressure, while the thick muscle can contract to push the blood along. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. The aorta within the heart is the largest artery. The aorta takes blood with oxygen and delivers it to every part of our body. Vein. Veins carry blood towards the heart. Veins have valves that stop the blood from going in the wrong direction. Body muscles surround the veins so that when they contract to move the body, they also squeeze the vein and push the blood along the vessels. Veins are blood vessels that carry used blood back to the heart. The heart sends the blood back to the lungs to pick up more oxygen. The capillaries connect arteries with veins. They exchange materials between the blood and other body cells. The exchange of materials between the blood and the body can only occur through capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. They branch off from every vein and artery. What is in our blood? So let's see. We have the digested food, and then the red blood cells, oxygen, carbon dioxide, the plasma, hormones, platelets, and the waste and the white blood cells. Red blood cells contains hemoglobin, a special molecule that holds and carries oxygen to cells. Can change shape easily without breaking to squeeze single file through the capillaries. White blood cells. The two main cells are the lymphocytes and the macrophage. Macrophage eat and digest bacteria in the blood. Some lymphocytes fight disease by making antibodies to destroy invaders in the body. Other lymphocytes make antitoxins to remove poisons that have entered the body. Platelets. Platelets are small pieces of large cells. Platelets make tiny fibers to form a net. This net traps other blood cells to form a blood clot. Blood clots stop bleeding when you cut yourself. Plasma, a liquid that carries the cells and the platelets, which helps blood clot. It also has useful things like carbon dioxide, glucose, amino acid, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and hormones. Para lubusan nating maintindihan mga bata ang circulatory system, let's watch and learn.
Welcome to the circulatory system. This is the heart, the driving force between the whole system. The circulatory system brings blood to all the parts of your body. You should exercise and eat healthy foods to take care of your circulatory system. The heart is a muscle. Every beat pushes blood through your entire body. Close your fist. That's how big your heart is. It's a little to the left in the middle of your chest. Now that you've learned all about the heart, let's see what your blood does.
Hi, I'm a red blood cell, and I deliver oxygen to cells. That's their main energy supply. These are white blood cells, and they're in charge of fighting off foreign substances. These are platelets. Their job is to fix veins and arteries when you cut yourself. They keep the blood inside where it belongs. Together we make up blood, the red fluid that comes out of you when you cut yourself. Our journey starts and ends in the heart. Blood is delivered to the entire body through blood vessels, tubes to transport it. Arteries are the vessels that bring us from your heart to your organs and your cells. Capillaries are small vessels where oxygen and food are exchanged. Veins are the vessels that bring us back to your heart from your organs. That's how cells and organs get the food and oxygen they need to survive. Then blood, specifically us, the red blood cells, take all the waste left by the cells and the carbon dioxide. Here we are at the heart. This is where our trip ends. Before we start a new trip, let's get loaded up with oxygen and nutrients. Thanks for helping us out. See you soon!
O ayan mga bata, sana marami kayong natutunan ngayon about circulatory system. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Science. Remember, science is fun, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago pa nating episode. See you again next time for more episodes. Enjoy learning!